Hi tech enthusiasts, Luna here from Quantum Tech Lab. Today, I'll guide you how to change font on any Android. Open the settings page. This is the main control center where you can manage everything on your device, including apps, internet connections, privacy, and system features. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Next, scroll the menu until you see the display option. Tap on it to open the display settings page, where you can adjust how things look on your screen, including brightness, wallpaper, and text appearance. Now, scroll further down to see the font size and style option. Tap on it to access font customization settings. Here you will find different font styles available on your device. Select the one you like, and it will be applied instantly so you can preview how it looks across your phone. You can also adjust the font size using the slider provided. This is especially useful if you want text to appear larger for easier reading or smaller to fit more content on the screen. Once you've made your changes, your phone will automatically update the new font settings. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quantum Tech Lab for more easy tech tutorials. Stay curious, stay secure.